Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Dewi Latifah, a student at STKIP Muhammadiyah Kuningan, and will fulfill my English assignment with active learning material taught by Mrs. Haja Badroini, MPD. Active learning, in his statement, active learning was inspired by a saying belonging to the Chinese philosopher Confucius, which says, "What I hear, and I forget. What I saw, I remember. What I do, I understand." Talking about the concept of active learning cannot be separated from the figure named Mel Silberman, a psychologist who is known as the originator of active learning methods. According to this quote, understanding something is not enough just by hearing and seeing. In the context of learning, students need to do something based on the information they obtain in order to measure how far they understand the material being studied. Meaning of active learning. Active learning is teaching and learning strategy that requires students to be actively involved. The aim is for students to understand the main point of the lesson material and be apply them to solve problem that exist in real life. Through active learning, teacher can help student gain real learning experience rather than just theory. Not only that, in this learning model, the teacher or educator is not so dominant but serves as a facilitator so that students can stimulate their activity both physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially. In implementing this learning method, there are several principles of active learning that educators need to pay attention to. Among others are active learning principles. Number one, principle of motivation. Two, contact or setting principle. Three, the principle of directionality on a curtain's focus. Four, principle of socialization. Five, the principle of learning while working. Number six, principle of individualization. Number seven, principle of discovery. Eight, principle of problem solving. Function and objectives of active learning. Number one, helps increases students' understanding and activity. Number two, create a pleasant learning environment. Number three, helps motivate students to master lesson that they think are boring. Number four, train cooperative between student and hone students' sense of responsibility. Five, optimize all the potential of student in order to obtain optimal learning results. Number six, maintain students' attention to remain focus on learning objectives. Advantage and disadvantage of active learning. Each learning method definitely has its own advantage and disadvantage. Likewise, with active learning, which also has plus and minus as follow. Advantage of active learning. Number 1, increase student learning motivation. Number 2, invite students to participate. Number 3, sharpen the thinking process. Disadvantage of active learning. Number 1, teachers are required to be more creative. Number 2, requires adequate learning aids. Number 3, needs more intensive supervision during the learning process. Thank you for watching this video. I'm still learning. I hope it's useful. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.